You may now take your seats. Let us welcome here on stage Dr. Sir Janet Manaya Tagle for your welcome address.
On behalf of the CCDC family, the administration, the Board of Trustees, the members of the teaching and non-teaching staff, our warmest welcome this afternoon. This is a very important occasion, the 30th commencement exercises, your graduation day. Just yesterday, a conference among a league of various international universities took place. It was a gathering among universities from all over the world who participated in the World University Rankings for Innovation, or WURI. What is WURI? WURI is an international measure of quality. Unlike the Professional Regulation Commission or the bar examination that focus on the learnings of graduates, WURI measures how schools in general creatively and innovatively come up with learning opportunities outside the classroom setting to nurture and develop student competencies while making a sustainable impact to the community, the province, and the region. And so yesterday, in Franklin University in Lugano, Switzerland, the results of the 2024 World University Rankings for Innovation was announced. And lo, CCDC, yes, our very own CCDC, this institution, your home away from home, was ranked 146 overall as an innovative institution of higher learning. It is the top among all Cordillera Administrative Region schools. In specific areas, we also landed 10th in the area of leadership, 13th in the area of funding, and 18th in the area of entrepreneurial spirit worldwide. What did we do to merit this recognition in the world rankings? One, we collaborated with the